Hello family, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Susanna and welcome back to today's video. And actually today's video, I'm actually making my lunch and I thought of sharing it out with you guys in case you also want one day to make it. So I hope everyone is doing well. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe. I normally delay you guys with videos with uploading, but I know one time I'll just be consistent. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. So actually, I've made food for baby here. You can see this is food for baby. This is ndoma and waru. For today, that was his meal, and he has finished to eat and he's already asleep. And for me, I had nothing to eat, so I only had my eye in the house. So this is what I'm going to eat now, just for time pass, so that I can't be that hungry and to wait for supper. I just have this so that I can be patient for supper. So I'm going to make an omelette, a very easy way to make an omelette. I thought of eating plain maya only, but then I saw I have some things in the house, so let me just mix them together and then I will have it. So this is the maya, this is the eggs, this is 2 eggs. I have actually cracked them already, so I'm going to cook it to mix them. So this is the dania. This is the dania. Yeah, this is the dania, and this is the green pepper. The hoho. Okay, this is the hoho, and this is the green pepper. Yeah, can you see that closely? This is the hoho, and this is the dania. So you can actually, the dania is always long, right? So you can cut it the way you want. If you want to put it in long, if you want to chop it like the way I've done. Also this one, if you want to chop it into small pieces, too small, you can. If you want to cut it long, you can. It's all the same. Also here I have the tomatoes and onions this side here. So if this is how I cut my onions if I'm cooking the eggs. Yeah, I normally cut it small, but not that small, because sometimes if I cut very little, very small, maybe I'm going to have a scrambled egg, not the long one, not that cooking of you cook it like without mixing it. So, but if I'm mixing, I love it medium. Even the tomatoes, I love it this way if I'm going to have unscrambled egg. Yeah, I love it that way. But if I'm going to have a scrambled egg, that one mixed with whatever, so much mixed, and then like the one for eating ugali, and these onions has to be chopped too small, because I don't want it to cook when you're cooking it and then it will remain like it is not cooked, the tomatoes. So I like it when the tomatoes is dry, mixed very well with an egg. But if I'm going to have that egg like that, you're going to just have it without ugali, then I love it this way, because I love to bite the tomatoes when it is not cooked with an egg. So this is how we are going to mix all of these things. We are going to mix them together. We're going to mix them together. We mix them together. You can see that. You can see that mixture. And then here we have the salt. This cup here is for the salt. You can see it inside. Yeah, you can see that. So we are going to just, I don't like too much salt in food, but with an egg I love salt. So this is a pinch of salt. I normally put 2, you see. That is if I that is if I am the one eating that egg. But if it is the egg for the baby, actually I don't put too much salt. You know, the baby is still a baby. You just have to put a small pinch. You know, salt is not good for baby. So we mix them together. We mix them together. We mix it. We mix it. We mix it. You can see the mixing. Mix, 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 mix. Mix it until all of it, you can see. Actually, there are different ways of making an omelette, but you can do anyhow. Some people like it when it is spiced. Some people like it like the way I'm doing, just the natural way. This is, by the way, the easiest way to make an omelette. If you don't know, it is just the easiest way, very easy. Instead of going for all of those spices, etc, etc, it's just like this. So since now it's mixed, you can see. Don't mind about my light. My light is actually stressing. So you can see that it is all mixed. So now our pan is here. You can see our pan. Our pan is here. What we are going to do is just to on the gas, and we just heat the pan. So you can see the pan. You can see the fire. Then we put our pan to heat. For the first, when you're heating your pan, you have to put it on the all volume of your gas so that the pan can heat faster. Yeah. See? So me, I like shaking my pan with a finger. You see? So the pan is now hot. We reduce the heat. You can see that the heat is low. So for me, I love to cook my eye at lower heat, and wash it is good for me. Yeah. So we're going to add the oil. You can see the oil. So that is the oil in the pan. So that is now the oil. The oil will become hot so fast because the pan was already heated. Yeah. So for you to know that your oil is hot, who does not know? You will see the smoke. You see the smoke, or you just feel the hotness is just close to you. It's just hitting you, right? So as we prepare this to pour it in our pan, our pan is very okay now. It is heated. So there we go. you can maybe at least make sure the tomatoes is on both sides. On both sides. The tomatoes, the hoho, the spices, so that they can cook fast. Yeah. For me, I love it. I love this way. I love to cook an egg like this. Just yummy. Just yummy, yummy. It's now cooking. Cooking. You know why I like cooking it at lower heat? I like it to cook, to be cooked both sides, because one day I cooked an egg and then it did not get ready both sides, so I was very angry, like today, like the way I am today. So when I just put it in my mouth, you know, that thing of an egg poured in my mouth, oh you, I had to vomit. I threw it out, and since then I love to cook my egg very well. I make sure it is well cooked. There is no watery thing in it. I actually am that easy art person. I can throw it in anything. Yeah, as long as I don't like that thing, I will just bring it back out. I'll just throw it out. Ugh. Just to show you I don't like that thing, right? So you can see it is cooking slowly. It is cooking slowly. You can see the oil. It is just going to be so yummy. Yummy. So let's wait for it to getting ready. It's already tender. So you can do it even that way. You can turn it again and turn it again. So our egg is ready. We don't want it to be so dry. So our egg is ready in the plate here. Here. This is our egg now ready to be chewed. So yummy. So you can see how it goes. Just very nice. I love to, hey guys, it's very nice the way I love it. You can see that. Just when you take that bite, yeah, and then drink water, you are just good to go. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching how I cook my omelette. Show me also how you cook your omelette. And thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, share, and let me know how you cook your omelette.